Alright, welcome to this video, and in this video I will be doing another Code Wars challenge. And as we go through here, let's see what we got. Alright, it says make the dead fish swim. It says write a simple parser that will parse and run dead fish. Dead fish has 4 commands, each 1 character long. It says I increments the value, which is initially 0. D decrements the value. S squares the value. O outputs the value into the return array, and it says invalid characters should be ignored. So here's an example of what it would look like and what the output would be. Alright, so basically we'd start off with 0, and then we go I means increment, so 0, and then we go +1, +1, +1, that means we have 3. Then we square the value with the S here, which would make it 9, and then we decrement the value, which makes it 8. Then we output the value into the array. That's where this 8 comes from. And then we square the value again, gives us 64. And then we output that 64 into the array. So this is what the return value should be, this array of 8 and 64. So we need to write an algorithm that will parse this and do this for us. So this should be pretty simple, but you know, sometimes you're running into stuff. So I think the first thing we need to do is take this data and put it into a character array. So let's go char. I'm going to call this characters. It's going to equal data dot to char array. So this is going to give us a character array. And now I think what we need to do is loop through this character array. We're just gonna do a for loop for each of the characters. So for characters, oh wait, I forgot to. So for a character in characters, we're gonna loop through here, and then inside of here, we're just gonna do a switch statement to get the correct character. So we go, I'm gonna switch on the character. I'm gonna do case. What are we looking for? I'm gonna do our break case D break case S break case O. Alright, and we'll break that. Let me go up here and get rid of that. Alright, and then default, of course, and this will just be break. We won't do anything because this is where we'll ignore the rest of the characters. Alright, so now when we have oh wait, I need the return array. I did not establish my return array, which will be called, let's just do return array equals new int actually we're gonna make it a list, and then we'll turn the list into an array at the end, do a conversion. That way I can add in a pin to it. So we'll do a list. What are we looking for here? This is going to be integer. And then we're going to say return list, new array list, integer. All right. And then I'm not sure. I think I have to add these myself. Util array list and array list. All right. So we have that. I've imported those, and now we have to handle our situation. So when we, I need the actual number as well. So let's do that under here. So we'll do int current num, I guess. And then this is going to be 0. It always starts off at 0 initially, according to the description. So now we're going to do, for increment, we're going to do current num plus plus. Decrement, we're going to do current num minus. And then square, do current num equals current num times current num. And then for the output, we just need to put current num into our array list, which is called return list. So return list dot add current num. All right. So this will loop through each character and do whatever it needs to do, and then it outputs it to the list. All right, now from here, we need to convert our list into an array. So we're gonna need to take our return list, and I'm going to use a string to do this. So dot string dot, I think it's map to, map to int. We're switching it to an array, and then we're gonna do integer int value, then dot to array. All right, and this should return a integer array. So let's see if I did this right. All right, we got the test pass. Now let's try to run it to through the real thing. All right, we got it. All right, so basic little implementation here. I'm pretty sure there's a way quicker way using these streams. So let's actually see. Unlock solution. No. Oh, here we go. Submit. That's what I'm looking for. All right, let's see. Nope. Looks like pretty much what I did. Yeah, that's pretty much what we did. For a char letter, yeah. I mean, they did the conversion within the thing, but switch, yeah, this is exactly what we did. Minus this, we did not throw any exceptions here. We just ignored it, kept it pushing. But other than that, we're good to go. Let's see what else other people have. Pretty much the similar thing. They just didn't use a switch statement. Let's see what we got here. Command factory. They created a helper class. Oh, helper classes. They did a lot. Here, another one, switch statement. Yeah, this is pretty much what we did right here. This might actually be, this is exactly the same. Oh, well, we didn't do we actually wrote it out, but yeah, this is exactly the same minus that. So we pretty much had I had a pretty much similar output as everybody else. So there we go. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video.